Good morning, children. This is Swati, Faculty of Social Studies in DAV Louis Vika Bharati Vidya Mandir. Let us continue our lesson, Our Earth. In this lesson, next topic, evolution of the Earth. Still, there is a discussion going on about this formation, how it was in initial stage, how it modified itself, how it took present shape in what way. Many of the scientists view that they concept the theory, they accept that concept that in the initial stage earth was in the form of dust and clouds only. After some millions of years ago, it took shape in the molten form. Molten form is nothing but in hot liquid form, that is the dust and clouds run transformed into the molten material, that is hot liquid material. In some areas we can say in semi liquid stage, and also it was. So the earth was a molten form. In several times it was bombarded by the massive rocks and other material from the outer space. So whenever this molten earth was bombarded by the massive rocks, that was the portion started. That is area started its expanding out. It continued first several million years, then afterwards slowly and suddenly the hot molten material started will be cooling. How it was? The heavier particles which goes to the bottom formed part of molten core, and lighter particles which comes to the top formed the layer of crust covering the molten interior. For example, if you boil a thick soup containing many substances, you may observe that the heavier particles tend to go to the bottom and lighter particles come to the top. The lighter particles cools at the top form a layer of crust like the cream of milk. When heavier substances formed the part of the molten core, lighter substances rose to the surface and cooled. Slowly, an upper crust of lighter and cooler material formed covering the molten interior. As the interior get cool and contrasted, the earth crust is wrinkled from ridges, mountains. Ridges means mountains and basins means low areas which become oceans. See the picture. The atmosphere of the earth consisted of different kind of gases including the water vapor. Most of these gases were such that life as we know it today could not have survived on it. It did not have oxygen which is necessary for us. It took a long time for the air we breathe to develop. Do you know, children, what gases are most common in earth atmosphere? Nitrogen, oxygen are by far the most common. Dry air is composed about 78% nitrogen and about 21% oxygen. Argon, carbon dioxide and many other gases are also present in much lower amounts. Each makes up less than 1% of atmosphere mixture of gases. The atmosphere also included water vapor. The rain filled the great basins on the earth's crust with water, thus oceans were formed. One half of the long span of Earth history, the planet Earth remained barren and lifeless. Then life appeared in the oceans. It slowly evolved into diverse plants and animals, including human beings over millions of years. This is the topic about evolution of the earth. Thank you, children.